Hello, and welcome to this Anatomy in Clay video production. In this brief video, we want to go over assembling your MANIKEN Z half model and give you some tips to help you out. In your box, you should have received a multi-base, an axial with detachable sternal plate, a red standoff, one removable face and branchial component, one leg, one arm, and a boom assembly, which consists of a boom top, a pole, and socket. You will notice that the screws used to put the model together are partially secured in the leg and socket. In the axial component, the screws are keeping the standoffs loosely attached. Now let's begin by removing the 3/4 inch screw from the socket. Once that's removed, we can attach the base. Start the screw by hand, then tighten with the 3/32 Allen wrench. Put the base off to the side so we can remove the 3/4 inch screw from the bottom of the foot. Then attach the base and secure it with the screw. Make sure that you don't over-tighten the screws, as this can damage your model. Let's flip the model back over. Make sure that the foot is positioned over the middle hole in the base. Now we can attach the remaining pieces of the boom assembly. Insert the pole in the socket. You will need to adjust the boom top accordingly so the pin fits in the pelvis. Now we are ready to add the axial. Before we attach the axial component, let's first remove the 3/4 inch screw in the leg area. Next, attach the axial to the pelvis. Align the brass insert in the axial with the screw hole in the pelvic section and replace the screw. Remember to start them by hand and tighten with the Allen wrench. Now to attach the arm to the axial. Start by removing the bottom 3/4 inch screw from the standoff. Make sure you leave the top screw in place. Align holes and attach the bottom screw loosely. Then rotate the arm and remove the top screw. Now align the top holes and attach the top screw through the arm assembly. Finish by tightening both screws. Now that your model is fully assembled, let's go over some features of your MANIKEN Z half model. In this model, the chest plate can be removed with the single 3/4 inch screw that's in the ribs. With the chest plate removed, we can see the diaphragm in the chest cavity. The MANIKEN Z model also features a removable branchial system. Once the 1/2 inch screw is removed from the head, the face and branchial system can be removed. Congratulations! You've successfully assembled your MANIKEN Z half model, and you're familiar with the features this model has to offer. It's time to get some clay and start building. We want to thank you for joining us for this Anatomy in Clay video production.